AI agents don't just assist, they take charge. From analyzing weather forecasts and health guidelines to calculating exactly how much sunscreen you'll need for your vacation. These groundbreaking systems are redefining the boundaries of tech. Let's dive in and uncover their game-changing potential. To understand AI agents, you first need to consider how traditional software and even advanced tools like large language models operate. Regular software follows strict rules. It's predictable, but it lacks the flexibility to adapt to new situations. You input a command, and it gives you an output based on predefined instructions. That's it. No deviation, no creativity. Now compare that with AI agents, which don't just execute tasks, they think through them. They consider context, adapt to changing conditions, and most importantly, take actions independently. It's like moving from a calculator to a full-fledged assistant who understands not only numbers, but the intent behind why you're calculating them in the first place. What sets AI agents apart is their autonomy. Imagine you're planning a family dinner. With traditional systems, you'd have to manually check everyone's schedules, suggest dates, confirm availability, and send out invites. But with an AI agent, you could simply say, find the best day next month for everyone to get together, and it would handle the rest. How much easier would life be if technology could take care of the details like this? It doesn't just follow instructions, it plans, adjusts, and executes the entire process on its own. It's like having an organizer who not only listens but anticipates every detail. If someone's plans change, it dynamically reschedules and keeps everyone updated without missing a beat. This seamless adaptability turns complex coordination into effortless simplicity. Now you might wonder, how does this differ from the large language models we're already using, like GPT or Claude? The answer lies in their functionality. LLMs are incredibly powerful for tasks like generating text, answering questions, or summarizing information. But they're limited by their training data. They rely on information they've already learned and can't interact dynamically with the world. If you ask an LLM about an event that happened yesterday, or a specific detail about your personal schedule, it simply cannot provide an accurate answer. That's because it lacks the ability to fetch real-time data or understand unique, personalized contexts. AI agents, however, break past this limitation by combining language understanding with tools that interact with the real world. They're designed to pull data from external sources, use APIs, or even connect to your personal device to provide up-to-date, relevant answers. This fusion of capabilities makes them far more versatile and impactful in real-world applications. AI agents bridge this gap. They combine the advanced language capabilities of models like GPT with real-world interaction. They can access tools, databases, and even the internet to gather up-to-date information. Think of it like this. While an LLM might draft a beautifully written email, an AI agent can draft that email, send it, and then follow up if the recipient doesn't respond. It's an entirely new level of functionality that transforms what AI can do for us. Let's make this more relatable with an example, shall we? Imagine you're planning a weekend road trip with friends. A language model might help you come up with a fun playlist for the drive, or draft a quick group message to coordinate. But an AI agent could take things to the next level. It could check your shared calendars to find the best date, map out the fastest routes based on current traffic, suggest pit stops along the way, and even look up weather forecasts to help you pack. By the time you're ready to hit the road, everything is planned out and ready. The agent doesn't just assist, it takes the hassle out of the process entirely, leaving you free to focus on enjoying the trip. So, how do AI agents achieve this? Their design is nothing short of fascinating, guys. They rely on three key capabilities: reasoning, tool interaction, and memory. Reasoning is perhaps the most revolutionary aspect. Traditional software operates if-then rules. meaning it can only respond to situations it's explicitly programmed for. AI agents, on the other hand, can break down complex problems into smaller tasks, devise a plan, and adapt that plan if something unexpected happens. It's like having a problem solver that doesn't just do what they say, that doesn't just do what you say, but figures out how to do it better. Take the task of managing your fitness routine, for instance. An AI agent doesn't just remind you to exercise, it analyzes your schedule, checks gym traffic, and tailors workouts to your goals. If a last-minute meeting disrupts your plan, it reschedules seamlessly, adjusting the session to fit your new availability. This ability to adapt dynamically and optimize outcomes makes AI agents remarkably effective, with fitness apps already using similar systems to revolutionize personal health management. But reasoning alone isn't enough. AI agents also excel at interacting with tools. These tools can range from web search engines and calculators to specialized APIs or even other AI models. Imagine you're working on a project and need to analyze data. An AI agent could pull information from a database, run calculations, generate visualizations, and draft a report, all seamlessly without human intervention. It's like having an entire team of experts working in the background, each specializing in a different task. Memory is the final piece of the puzzle, and it's what makes AI agents feel truly personalized. Unlike traditional systems that treat every query as a fresh start, AI agents can remember past interactions. This means they can recall your preferences, understand your long-term goals, and build on previous conversations. For example, if you've asked about your remaining vacation days in the past, the agent doesn't need to look it up again. It already knows. This memory isn't just practical, it makes interactions smoother and more intuitive, almost like talking to someone who knows you well. So where are these AI agents being used today? The applications are endless, but let's focus on some of the most transformative areas. In healthcare, for example, AI agents can assist doctors by analyzing patient records, identifying potential diagnoses, and even suggesting treatment options based on the latest medical research. In customer service, they can manage complex queries, predict customer needs, and even escalate issues to the right team, ensuring faster and more accurate resolutions. And in fields like software development, AI agents are streamlining workflows by debugging code, managing version control, and even automating repetitive tasks. What makes this possible is the concept of compound AI systems. These systems combine multiple components, such as language models, databases, and external tools, to create a cohesive whole. AI agents have something to offer. They're partners in creativity and problem solving, and they're here to stay. If this guide opened your eyes to the incredible world of AI agents and left you curious for more, don't just stop here. Subscribe and smash the like button to stay ahead of the curve. Got any questions or ideas buzzing in your mind? Drop them in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going.